Welcome, and follow me is a Neffos X9, and today I'll show you how to add or remove Google account. So to start off, we want to open up the settings, and from settings, scroll down to more general settings right here, and at the top you'll see user and account. So tap on it, and from here you can just simply tap on add account. Now also make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, which I don't think I am. Let's check. No, I'm not. So I'm gonna need to actually connect to this first. Okay, so disregard the spam of notifications that's coming in. So from here, you can now tap on add account and then choose, for instance, Google. At least that's what I'm gonna be using. And then put in your email address. If you don't have one, you can always tap on create account. To make one. I already have one, so that's what I'm gonna use. And tap on next and put in your password. I'm gonna do the same but off the screen. And then tap on next again, and you'll see this, which is the Google Terms of Service. You can click on them, blue text to actually read it, and then tap on I agree. And from here we have a couple of options. We can disable or enable the backup. I'm just gonna keep it enabled and then tap on I agree. And as you can see, now it's added. And from here you can also tap on it and auto sync and see what is being synced with the Google account. Disable whatever you don't like or whatever you want to keep or not keep. So at this moment, basically everything apart from movies and TV is being synced between basically all the devices that are on the same Google account. But you can just simply flip it off like so, and then data, calendar, and contacts will not be synced between devices. So it's just a matter of what you want to keep. And to remove the account, you can simply going back here in the user and accounts. When you have the Google account that you want to remove, just tap on it, and you'll see remove account right here. And all you need to do is tap on it, remove account. Are you sure? Yep. And as you can see, you have to confirm it if you have some kind of passcode. If you don't, it will just automatically remove, but I do, so you can use either fingerprint or the pattern. It's gonna select the pattern, and now it's gone. So that is how you would remove it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.